writings. It is the great light in Masonry and should ever be the great law of the Brotherhood. It will guide you in all truth. It will direct you to eternal happiness. And an attentive regard of these divine precepts it contains will ensure your success in the fulfillment of the duties you are now about to assume. The square teaches us well to regulate our every action and to let our conduct be governed by the principles of morality and virtue. The compass teaches us to limit our desires in every station and never to suffer our passions or our prejudices to become the masters of our judgment. The rule directs the undeviating discharge of all our duties, that we should press forward in the straight path of right and truth without inclining to the end, one hand or the other, in all our doings having eternity in view. The plum is an emblem of moral rectitude. It teaches us to avoid all dissimulation and to pursue that honest and upright course in life which will tend to our elevation in the higher realms of immortality. There are still other important things which you will receive in charge. The Book of Constitution. You are expected to diligently search and from time to time cause its contents to be read in your lodge, that none may remain ignorant of the precepts it enjoins, or of the ordinances which it promulgates. The book contains the bylaws of your lodge, which will be your special duty to see carefully and punctually executed. And this is a very important charter. The charter under the authority of which your lodge is held, and which you are carefully to preserve and duly transmit to your successor in the master's chair. Brother Master of Ceremonies,